The other day I had a bunch of onions that I had to get used up. So I thought, you know what? I'm just going to dehydrate them up and I'm going to make them into onion powder. I'm going to grind them into onion powder. So I've got 3 nice trays here that I did. So I'm just going to dump them in my little bucket because that makes them easy to get to pour without getting them all over the place. I got this nice little flexible bucket at the dollar store. I only paid $1 for it. It's fantastic. See that? Okay, you can see in there that they're all dry and they're beautiful. Now you can use them just this way if you want to. You can use them just like that. But I have a bunch already, so I'm going to make these into onion powder. Okay? All over the front. So I've got my coffee grinder. It's the best thing I've found to use. And I'm going to just fill that. I'll take about two or three of them. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to grind it. Until you don't hear them crunching anymore. Hear that? Okay, now just let that settle a minute before you open it up. Okay, let that settle down. Otherwise, it's gonna whoosh you. And I'm just gonna pour them right in that bowl. All right, here goes the next bunch. These are fantastic. Oh, and they smell wonderful. So here we go. And you can hear them. They're still grinding up. Oh, nice and powdery. They might have a few chunks in it, but that's all right. All right. Just tap the top of that. Let it settle for a second. And there you have that. That's how easy that is. Just a minute. I got probably one more. All right. Isn't that easy? And it's wonderful because you know what's in it. I'm going to do one more here. I think we got it good. Okay, just tap it off the top because it sticks to everything. Let it settle a second. You can see it coming out. All right. And there you have it. Look at that nice onion powder. Let's see here how nice and powdery this is. See that? How nice and powdery that is? Wonderful stuff, and it's easy to make. You can do this with garlic, your garlic as well. So there you have it, friends. I'm going to put that in my spice jar, and that's all set. I got onion powder for quite some time. There you have it. Thanks for watching.